A message from the creator. Before we begin our dive into the world of machine learning topics and concepts, there are a few terms one will be required to keep in mind. Keeping these terms in your mind will greatly boost the way in which you perceive and understand the content. There is no need to memorize these terms because as we move further into the course, these terms will be embedded into your memory. For now, a single read through each will effectively increase your understanding of discussions and concepts in and out text. This content has been created by me, Shivek Santosh Maharaj, founder and creator of MachineMentorShivek. The key focus in this course is machine learning. We will attempt to cover theoretical and practical aspects of machine learning. To gain hands-on experience with the topics, practical sessions will be facilitated with the Python programming language. This is the first course I have developed, therefore it is the first course that I will post on YouTube. Work for this course began on the 28th of August 2021. I do hope that you find my creation useful and are able to gain a high level of insight into modern day computation. Thanks for your time. Let's get into it.